Hi, DCTMAKES here. Second video on the homemade ring bender. Using round stock. This is not Derlin, this is like PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, whatever the heck you say it. Hard plastics, basically. Two different kinds. This is more like the Derlin. But first video is getting parts together. Second video here is I'm going to TIG these two pieces together to see if what I'm trying to make here is actually going to work well with the wall thicknesses. But this is basically what come up with so far. There'll be a post here. Can you guys see this? There'll be a post here, and let's just imagine you have a post and you're holding the spoon, fork, whatever you're bending here, and then as you're pulling down, you're moving this hard plastic with that shape on it, different sizes and different size posts, you know, down from 3/8 to say an inch, and you can cross match the sizes to the cutouts on the hard plastics. So you can mold almost any of the metals that you're going to have in knives and forks. But obviously with it being round stock, much easier with square stock. But with round stock, you have to stop it rotating, obviously, because there's going to be a force on it. It's going to try and rotate this. So this is just an idea. I have no idea if it's going to work yet. I've actually cut a slot in here, and there'll be a pin riding on each of the pieces of plastic that I put in, so that it cannot rotate like this. So there'll be a pin there, and then there'll be some mechanism holding these together, so when you pull it back, it pulls. When you pull it back, it pulls the plastic back with it. This is where I've got to so far. So pieces here, piece of pipe, some metal used in the aircraft industry I got from a guy down the road, but it just, I cut from a piece of stock and it was the right thickness. I have no idea if that will TIG correctly or not, but we'll give it a shot. But you see how this is. This is all just temporarily put together. This is just a drill shaft, high-speed steel. So there's the shaft, and it pushes that rod backwards and forwards. This can't rotate, being held at both ends. This is just on a pin down the bottom here. You guys see that? So that's just on a pin running through. Yeah, no special machines, just kind of cut in as clean as you can with hand tools and grinders. Measure real well, get it to the line, and that kind of stuff. There's no milling machines here or anything like that. So that's where I got to so far. I'll bring you back later on, episode 3, on how this TIGs up or not. We'll see. It may be a different design by the time it comes back the next time, but that's where we stand so far. If I can get it back together, right? Okay, so there you go. And there'll be a longer rod on here to create the power portion of this, and there'll be a lot of effort force being put down this shaft, along this rod, into this internal pipe to here. A lot of pressure. If you're especially, like, say, bending stainless steel like this, you are going to need some pressure to do that. It's not silver plate like nickel or anything like that. So that's where we got to. It's going to be TIGged along here if it works. Like I say, I'll do the TIG test on this stuff and see if it will stay together cleanly, and I'll bring you back on that when I get through that. Hey, thumbs up, subscribe if you like it. See you later, guys. Bye.